So the plan this morning is I am going to clean out this cubby. I know there's a few things here I definitely don't want anymore. This is going to be a quick thing, easy thing. There's nothing sentimental here at all. We're in the middle of a heat wave now, so it's still pretty cool right now. So I'm just going to get at this before it gets too warm and see how far I get. And we'll see how long it takes me. Okay, it's 8:30 right now, and I'll let you know how long it takes me. Okay, I pulled this thing out of the cubby there, and I just need to add a couple of little screws here, and then it'll be good as new. And I don't know if somebody's interested in an easel like this, but yeah, I think that would be perfect for a yard sale. Okay, so I have fixed this, and it is good to go. So a little mouse has made one of these cubbies its home. That's what I've pulled out of there. So yeah, okay, I'm sweeping out all this crap here. So I finished sweeping all this out, and it is 5 to 9, so that's 25 minutes for me to clear all this out, sweep it out, and fix that thing. I do need to run up and get a garbage bag, and then I can finish up here and then figure out what I'm going to do with all that stuff. So I'll be right back. Well, it is 9 o'clock and I am back. I got a garbage bag there, so I'm going to finish sweeping up and tidying this whole area, and I think I'm going to do this little area too. Okay, so gas cans. I'm going to get rid of that big old one there. It still seems pretty good, pretty solid. I'll ask my son if he wants it. It doesn't have the cap on it, so it's always got that spout thing. And unfortunately, that spout does not fit these ones. One of them, I forget, I think I put the short thing there. It needs a new spout thing. It's got like a very, very short piece. Yeah, because it got broken off. So I'll have to buy another one of those if we need to use it, or I'll just use one that actually is good from the other two. Now this newer one here, that had the gas for my snowblower. I'll have to ask my boyfriend if he put the stabilizer in it before we put it down here. But anyway, this one has a little bit of gas in it. I'm going to try and use that up in my lawnmower. And then I'll just have, actually I have another one up at the house, a smaller one. And if we actually have a good deal on gas anytime soon, because gas went up again, more taxes than anything, then maybe I will fill these up, so I'll have those on hand. It's always good to have some spare gas on hand if you've got a safe place to keep them. When we had the ice storm and the power outage, there was only one gas station, which was about 10 kilometers away, that was open, and the lineups were atrocious. I tried not to go too far, so I didn't, like, I was getting low on gas, but I thought I will go as little as possible until until the lines disappear or we get hydro back on. And anyway, so that's the plan for the gas. I'm going to put a couple of them back in there. So I also have some extra parts for the gas cans there, and I'm kind of loath to get rid of them because they're not cheap to buy new. This one's brand new. This is one from the new kit that I bought. This sponge was for the tiling, and would I think to use that? No, that's going in the garbage. So that's that. I've got all these neat little pails, and I'm going to keep those for now. They're great for, all kinds of things. I do have to do some parging, so I will use one of those to do my parging in. So anyway, maybe I'll put those in the back first, the ones I'm not going to need to access regularly. Okay, so it's 10 to 10 and I am done here. So I'll show you what I've got. I put my winter shovels back in here for the apartments with the ice salt. A couple of the gas cans there. My empty extra propane tank, which I need to get filled. All those extra buckets and things, they come in very handy too with renovations. If you have to do a lot of demo work, sometimes, you know, it helps to carry the stuff out in these pails. So I'm keeping those for now anyway. When my reno days are done, I won't have to worry about that. I got a few extra pieces of this left over. That's the flashing for doing the roofing, like where the where there's like a corner join if there's a ridge on a roof. Couple of brooms I'm keeping, the dustpan there. I have kept 3 of these dust brushes because they're still really good, and I did decide to throw one of them out, so I am getting rid of one. I'm getting rid of these 2 pails that have like the dried on concrete stuff in there, and I'm also getting rid of that yucky plunger. It's like cracking and yeah, gross. So obviously don't have a full bag here yet to go to the dump, but so that's a contract bag I put in there. These things are going into recycling. I have the extra newspaper here to use to put down when I was painting back here. As you can tell from the floor, it didn't really matter. Kind of oversprayed, but that's okay. Eventually I don't know if I'll bother painting it, or the new owner can do that. I don't know what this metal thing is, so I'll ask my son what that is. I don't know if it's something I need to keep or if I can get rid of it. These things here were my son's, same with that bag of stuff there, so he's got to go through that. What else? That's waiting to go to the dump as well. Yeah, so I wiped everything off here. I did keep some paper, a pen, scissors, tape, and these are wipes that I figured I could use for wiping stuff off. I had painted the white shelves there, and I think I can take this back into the house, and I have actually been using the grout cleaner, so I'm just going to keep that handy there for now. I still have that far wall of all the stuff on the shelves I have to go through. So yeah, that's that. Anyway, yeah, it's starting to get hot in here, so I am gonna go inside now to work where it's nice and air conditioned.